Yes children, now moving on to example 3, page number 180. This is the diagram. Line segment AB is parallel to another line segment CD. That means this line is parallel to this. O is the midpoint of AD. See, now this is a AD line and O is the midpoint. That means if suppose this is full 10 measurement, if this is midpoint and this is 5, this is 5, that means whatever is the measurement of this, that is the measurement of this. So there is one dash given in the textbook which says that OA is equal to OD. You have to prove AOB, that means this triangle AOB, this triangle is equal to triangle DOC. You have to prove this triangle is equal to this triangle, and O is the midpoint of BC. O is cutting this BC into two equal half. That means whatever is OB, that is equal to OC, that we have to prove. So this is also a proof. So here also we have to write given, to prove and proof. Now given, what is given? AB is parallel to CD and O is the midpoint. Just copy it here. And whatever you have to prove, that you write it here. Now we'll go to the proof. Now I've taken these two triangles. This one triangle AOB and DOC. So whatever is printed in the sum, first we will write that. This is printed. So that means OA is equal to OD. I am starting from the midpoint. So OA, here also I'll start from O only. OA is equal to OD, it is given. So I will write it is given. O is midpoint. Second thing, nothing is more given, but I know that AD and BC are two lines which are intersecting like this. So what do they form? Yes, vertically opposite angles are equal. That means COD and this is equal to this. But naming is very important. Now here OA I have started. That means if I go from here to here, it comes AO. Here also it should come as DO. So if I start with AO, I should come down AOB. Then only it forms a triangle AOB. Now here if I am going like this, here also I should say DO. So DO, C only will give me this triangle. So angle DOC. So what are they? Vertically opposite angles. I am not writing the full form, but in exam you have to write children. AOB is equal to DOC. Now this line is parallel to this line. So in whenever the lines are parallel, the alternate interior angles are equal. So what is alternate interior? See the shape children. This is forming a Z shape, right? This is forming a Z shape, inverted Z. So this will be equal to this. Why? Because CD is parallel to AB. So whenever lines are parallel, alternate interior angles are equal. So here the midpoint here is O. So I will write here DCO is equal to ABO. So DCO, but here I am taking this triangle first. So I will say ABO, this, because this is the down triangle and this is the upper triangle. I am writing in always the down triangle parts. So for here I will write the down triangle part, that is ABO. Angle ABO is equal to ABO is equal to, it is like this, ABO, this is equal to this. So DCO. See children, you can see the pattern. ABO is also like this and DCO is also like this. So if the pattern are equal, you are going correctly. And why are they equal? Because alternate interior angles in parallel lines are equal. So now you have got 3 points. So by what rule are these two triangles equal? We'll see. This is angle, and this is side, and they form a correct pattern like this. Angle, angle and side. In here also if you see angle, angle, side. Here they are forming like this pattern. Angle, angle and side. So you can say by angle, angle, side rule, these two triangles are congruent. Triangle AOB is congruent to triangle DOC. Now we have to prove this. O is the midpoint of BC. Now for O to be midpoint of BC, now you remove all this. You need only this. O is the midpoint of this line. So if you have to prove O is the midpoint, that means OB should be equal to OC, right? If OB is equal to OC, that means O is the midpoint. So see this pattern children, OB and OC. They are correctly forming second and third place. This is first place, second place, third place, first place, second place, third place. So OB is correctly forming OC. So we can write this is congruent parts of congruent triangle. If this is congruent, that means their parts are also congruent. But if OB is equal to OC, when will OB be equal to OC? When O is the midpoint. So we have proved O is the midpoint of BC. Hope this sum was easy for you.